So I replaced that cap, that diode there. It's still heating up. The only option I have left is to remove the processor, which I've just done. I'm just letting it cool down and done an awesome job of removing that. Now if we have a look at the big screen, so this cluster is gone anyhow. So literally there is nothing left to do but remove this chip. So I'm just going to touch up these pads, not that we need to worry about it, but I'm doing this because I want to make sure that none of the tracks have gone missing, like that. So that doesn't matter because this is the old board. They also might be not connected too. A lot of the time that is the case. I have to look at the data sheet. The reason why I'm doing this is I'm just making sure that there are no tracks on the back of the processor. I will put it on the scope. They all look pretty good. Alright, so we potentially have, okay, so that was a track. This one is too. Alright. That's fine. We're never going to use this cluster again anyhow. Alright, so they're all there. Good. That was me getting towards the end. Should put a little bit more heat on that. But that's fine. Anyhow, so they're all there. Perfect. Alright, so now we've got to transplant this onto a working cluster. So we're going to have to take this one off. It's a shame because I programmed keys to this already, but the kilometers are wrong and I don't know the CS for that, so I have to sacrifice this cluster, take my time, get this processor off, do the best that I can, put that one on there, and hopefully this processor is not cooked and hopefully we can get into service mode. If we can't, then honestly, I don't know, we've got another cluster coming, but there's no choice here. So